Hello and welcome to Mitsubishi Electric. Today we're going to talk about our M8 series of CNC controls running today's modern machine tools. There are a few different controls within the M8 series, including the M80, M830, and M850 controls. These controls can come in a Windows or a non-Windows based system with a variety of screen sizes. The M80 control is our standard control loaded with all software options from the factory, while running programs up to 135,000 blocks per minute, or the equivalent of 1,350 line look ahead. Our M830 control comes with an even more powerful processor, running programs up to 270,000 blocks per minute, or the equivalent of 2,700 line look ahead, with enhanced features. And our M850 control is our full 5-axis simultaneous control. Before we get started, I did want to mention that all or most of our options are actually turned on as standard from the factory with a lot of the machine tool builders that we work with, saving you, potentially the end user, thousands of dollars on your machine tool. Contact your local machine tool builder to find out which options are coming standard on their models. All of our M8 controls come with touchscreen as standard, with the exception of the 8.4-inch model. These touchscreens were designed to be very intuitive right out of the box, with functionality similar to the laptop PCs and smartphones we use in our everyday lives. With these touchscreens, we can scroll through the soft keys, scroll through part programs, relocate pop-up screens, pinch to zoom in and out, double tap to open files, and long tap to bring up descriptions. As seen, we also use pop-up screens similar to PC programs, and tabs also similar to PC programs. Of course, if touchscreen isn't your thing, we can easily turn off this function with a simple parameter and use the hard keys supplied with the control. Another nice feature, the screen navigation and display can be customized. The soft menus can be reorganized to the operator's liking. The positions can be easily changed with a push of a button. The control has many devices it can run a program from, including the internal CNC memory, front SD card slot, rear SD card slot or data server slot, and USB drive, as well as the hard drive in our Windows-based controls. SD cards and USB drives can be as big as 32 gigabytes, eliminating the need for costly memory upgrades. Depending on the builder, many of these controls also come with standard features such as data server, high-speed, high-accuracy mode, super smooth surface, tool center point control, spline interpolation, NURBS interpolation, and tolerance control, just to name a few. To learn more about our M8 series of CNC controls, please visit our website at us.mitsubishielectric.com/FA/EN or contact your local Mitsubishi representative. Thanks for watching, and please visit our YouTube channel for more in-depth clips on our M8 series CNC control. Mitsubishi Electric. You wouldn't believe the things we do.